Is everyone done? No looking at other papers, please.
Thank you so much. You really saved me out there today. I did not do anything special. Please do not say that. You left your paper where I could see it. That helped me. That was not for you. Please do not say those words again. Anna, come on. We have been best friends for 3 years. I have to go now. I have to finish packing up my bag here. Wait, can you help me again on Friday? It is the big exam. Please, Anna. You are the only one who can really help me. I said I have to think. I will send you a text later tonight. Anna, how was the big test today? You look a little tired. It was okay. A little hard, but I think I finished it well.
Did you feel good about your answers when you finished it?
I think so. I worked really hard to prepare for this test.
I know you did. I heard you studying all night long last night.
Mom, I have a question. Just a hypothetical question for you.
Okay, I am listening. What is your big hypothetical question?
If a friend needed help during a test, what should you do?
What kind of help? Like studying together the night before?
No. Like during the test itself. Like looking at your answers.
That is cheating, Anna. You don't have to explain more to me.
But what if she is your best friend? Does that change things?
It does not change anything. A good friend never asks you to cheat.
Okay. I think I understand now, Mom. Thank you. Good night.
Anna, hold on. Is this really just a hypothetical question today?
Yes, Mom. I am just thinking about something at school. Good night.
So, did you decide? Can you help me again on Friday, please, Anna?
I will think about it. That is the best answer I can give now.
That means yes, right? You are seriously the best, Anna. Really.
I did not say yes. Do not tell anyone I agreed to help you. Okay. I know. Thank you so much. I will not say a word. Something about this does not feel right. But I cannot say no.
Anna, your red pen. You left it on the kitchen table last night.
Oh. Thank you. I have to bring this pen with me to every test.
Every test? Is that a special rule you made for yourself, Anna?
Not really a rule. It is just something I do. It helps me focus.
That is a really good habit. Are you ready to go to school now?
I think so. I have to do well today. This exam really matters to me. You always do well when you try your best. I truly believe that.
Please put everything away. You may begin the exam. Good luck!
Hey, is it okay if I sit right here today? Right next to you?
Sure, okay. Just sit down quickly. The teacher is watching us.
Thank you.
I really did study this time, Anna. I promise I did.
Then, you don't have to look at my paper at all. You know this.
I know. I just feel much better sitting close to you in class. No talking during the exam. Everyone, eyes on your own paper.
I finished. I know every answer here. They are mine. All mine. Good job today, Anna. I will see you right after school today, okay? Yeah. See you then. I hope you did well on your own paper today.
I think I did great. I feel like I actually got everything right.
That is good news. I am really glad you prepared well this time. I could not have done it without you. You helped me so much today. You said you studied. Your answers were yours. They were not mine. Right, of course. I just mean you gave me a lot of confidence today.
Anna, you look strange. Did something happen at school today?
Nothing happened. I am just thinking hard about something, Peter.
You always get that face when something is really wrong, you know?
I said nothing happened. Can you please just leave me alone now? Okay. But I am here if you want to talk to me. Just so you know.
Hey! Did the teacher say anything about our exam papers yet today?
No, not yet. Why are you asking me about that question, Lily?
I do not know. I just want to be sure that everything is still okay.
Why would it not be okay? You said you studied well this time, Lily. Right. Yes, of course. I just get very nervous after big tests.
Anna, could you please stay after class for just a few minutes?
Is something wrong? Did I do something wrong today?
Come and sit down, Anna. I want to show you something important.
Okay. I am sitting down now.
Look at these two papers right here. Look at them very carefully.
Those are my answers on the left. And those there are Lily's answers.
11 wrong answers. In the same places. Written the exact same way.
I can see it clearly. I understand what you are showing me right now.
How did this happen, Anna? I need you to please tell me the truth.
I do not know what to say. I need one moment to think clearly, please.
I am not accusing you yet. But I do need to hear the truth from you.
Not accusing me? Then what exactly are you asking me to say to you?
I need to know how both papers ended up with the same wrong answers.
Can I have more time? Can I come back to you at the end of school today?
Yes. Until 3 o'clock. After that, I have to call your parents home.
Okay, I understand that. I will come back to your room by 3 o'clock. What did the teacher say to you? Are we in serious trouble right now? She wants the truth. She has both our papers. She showed them to me. What? How did she catch it? I was careful. This should not have happened.
You were careful? So you did copy from me. You just admitted that to me.
Anna, please. You cannot tell her anything. You have to stay quiet now. You told me you studied. You said you did not need to copy from me. I did study. But I also looked. I was scared. I am so sorry, Anna.
You put pressure on me. I felt like I had to help you. That was wrong.
You did help me. And now, I need you to help me just one more time, please. I will not lie for you, Lily. That is wrong. And I have always known that. If you say anything, I will fail this term. I will lose everything, Anna.
I have to go now. I have to think about this by myself. Completely alone. I know what I did wrong. I let her copy my work. I made that choice myself.
I knew it was wrong the whole time. I knew it while I sat at my desk.
This pen. My name. My work. I have to decide what I want to stand for now.
I have to go back to that room. I have to tell the truth right now.
Anna, you came back early. Are you ready to tell me everything now?
Yes, I am ready now. I have to tell you the whole truth. Every part of it.
I am listening, Anna. Please take all the time that you need right now.
I did not write her answers. But I let her see my paper. I chose that. I moved my paper to the edge of my desk so she could see my answers.
I felt so much pressure from her. I was scared of losing my best friend. But I knew the whole time it was wrong. I knew from the very first moment.
I am sorry. I should have stood up and said no right from the beginning.
That took courage, Anna. More than you know. Thank you for honesty.
You told her everything? I cannot believe you did this to me, Anna. I had to do it. I could not stand there and let this keep going on, Lily. We are best friends. Best friends do not do this to each other at all.
A real friend does not ask you to do something wrong to protect herself.
I do not want to talk to you. We are done now. Do not come near me at all. I understand. I am sorry, Lily. I really am. I truly mean that.
Come sit with me tonight, Anna. Tell me what happened at school today.
I let a friend copy from my exam. And then I went back and told the truth.
You told the truth, even when you knew it would cost you a lot, Anna?
Yes, it cost me a lot. But I had to. It was the right thing for me to do.
Anna, you don't have to choose between a friend and doing what is right. A real friend never makes you choose like that. Please remember that.
I know, Mom. I understand that now. But it still really hurts inside me.
It is okay that it hurts. That means you care. Caring is not wrong.
Have you ever had to choose between a friend and the right thing to do? Write one sentence right now using the words have to or don't have to. My favorite sentence this week gets a special shout out next week. See you all next time. And remember, telling the truth always matters.
Yeah, what? Click like ready it. 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 Bum 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 bum. Yeah, what? Click like ready it. Yeah, what? Click like ready it. Yeah, what? Click like ready it. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, what? Click like ready it. 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 Dum 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 dum.